what will happen if you'll die, but you are now living in the time of King Herod, the time of Jesus? Then if you're poor, just dig a hole, let's say here, and bury yourself. But what are rich people used to do? They used to build themselves caves. And everyone knows that Joseph of Arimathea gave Jesus his own tomb. And what we know is that they used to have a rolling stone that used to be kind of the door. We didn't find any of the rolling stones in Israel. We found a lot of tombs from Jesus' time, except of here. You can see the rolling stone in situ. Great, isn't it?
Wow.
Then in that case, they used to roll it to here, and that's how they closed the door. I don't know if you noticed, but there's a symbol or sign of the Greek Orthodox Church. It belongs to the Greek Orthodox Church. Place we are at Jerusalem. You remember what's the name of
The
garden here?
It's nearby King David
Yeah, that's
Hotel.
near King David Hotel. That we know, but
Right on the slopes that goes towards the old city.
all right. Then you can see. All right. For so many years, they thought that it's built for King Herod, but now we know that it's not. That still we call it King Herod's tombs. We know that King Herod was buried at Herodion, which is close to between Jerusalem and Bethlehem. It's beautiful to see it. Then they used to curve a family kind of a cemetery in a cave, and they used to bury people there. And though this is not Jesus' tomb is somewhere there in the old city. It looks like that. And that's the importance of it. This is the only evidence for the rolling stone that kept the door closed or the entrance closed. Then it's the end of May 2020. Israel, excellent weather. Hallelujah for that.